Hello everyone. From today's session we will be starting the Silverlight controls. To start with the Silverlight controls, we will first look at the different layout controls. Now there are basically three layout controls. The first is grid, second canvas, and third is stack panel. All these have different uses in different requirements. So let us start today with the basic grid. To start with the grid, just add your grid tag. You can give different names and its different properties over here. Suppose I give me his name as outer grid, and then you can have some properties as you like. Then now define the different rows and columns. There is a proper tag called grid.row definitions. Over here you can give different row definitions. Row definition 1, row definition 2. As you can see in the preview page upper side, there are two rows of equal height. Now I am adding a new third row. So three rows of equal height. Now I want to change the height of the first row. Simply go and have a height property and give it as suppose 50. So you can see the height of the first row becomes 50, and the remaining area would be divided into two different rows for second and third. Same way you can define for grid.column definitions. I am adding two columns over here. Of by default it will be of equal size. Now I am giving width of it. So my first column would be of 100 pixel and the remaining would be of the remaining area. Now this was defining the basic structure of the table. Now adding controls to it. Let me add the button. Content is equal to button. So it is showing in first row and first column. Now let me add text block. Text is equal to text block. As soon as I close it, you can see the text block is shown over the button. That is by default. When you add any control to the grid, it takes its row and column as 0. But I want to change the things. I want the text block should be shown in first row and second column. So there are properties called grid.row is equal to 0 and grid.column is equal to 1. So my text block moves to the second column of the first row. So this is how you can manipulate your controls. You can even add a grid inside it. So I am adding another grid and placing it at row is equal to 1, that is second row. And I want it to be a full width. So I will give this column span is equal to 2. Let me add a text block for better clarity. In a grid data and font font size equal to 36. See, this is how you can manipulate your grid. You can have another one nested grid also. So this was all about grid, basic layout control. Now in next sessions I will be taking canvas and stack panel. Thank you.